All right, let's take a quick look at your alternator here. This is a Hartzell ES 10024 100 amp alternator, gear driven for a Continental engine. Couple real quick things that you as a pilot can do when you have that cowling off. Obviously, check these terminal connections. Looks like we got a 7/16 wrench. Just make sure these are all tight. These are real susceptible to corrosion. And you'll actually see here on this grounding strap, there's a little bit of corrosion forming. Loose connections and corrosion just wreak havoc on electrical systems. So one thing that you can do that's preventative, other than checking to make sure the wires are good and tight, every pilot should have a can of ACF 50 in their hangar. Every mechanic should have a can of ACF 50 on their toolbox, and it's real simple. You just come in and you coat this, and what'll happen is this will kill corrosion. And I probably am putting a little bit too much. I put way too much stuff on everything, but it doesn't take that much. But you peel these back, and what'll happen is this stuff just creeps out. If you watch videos online in slow motion, you can just see this creep out and cover all your electrical components. Super easy. When you're doing stuff like this can will last you a long time. And you can actually do this on every electrical connection. It's great for preventing corrosion inside on metal, inside plugs, electrical connections, everything. I mean, you can use it on any of these terminals. I'm not going to put it on right now until those are getting hooked up. But even like this grounding cable here, you just look at that. You can tell it's just years old and it's starting to get some corrosion. And before you put this on, just a little bit will go a long way, and it'll creep in, and it's great stuff. And prevents corrosion, of course, and it's going to save you money in the long run.